But this brother is making it to where we're not dependent upon somebody else giving us money, but we know how to go and make the money ourselves. I am so super proud to be here in Atlanta, Georgia with him. And I believe in taking, this business and this skill set to the next level. So Oran Wright, we appreciate you for doing a special private call with us tonight. My brother, go ahead and unmute. Y'all light it up. Let's
Let's
go.
go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, let me mute everybody. Let me mute everybody out and get you unmuted real quick. There you go. Perfect. Go ahead and unmute real quick, boss. All right. I just muted everybody out. All right. You unmuted, right?
Yeah. Let's
go. Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. That's how we're going to address you all tonight because, here's the thing. The moment you start learning the skill, you're going to feel like a king and queen. The moment you start learning the skill, you don't want anything less. You don't want to go back to the person that you used to be. You don't want to go back to that person, sometimes we say to ourselves, man, if only I can go back to when I was 21. Man, if I go back to when I was 21, I'll probably do absolutely nothing. Because in my 20s, I was just having fun. In my 30s, well, that's the point I was trying to find myself. But in my 40s, that's when I became financially free. So if any of you on this call, you're saying to yourself, oh man, I got to wait until I'm 40. I'm only 19. No. It only took me that long because I didn't have a mentor. It took me that long because I didn't have a pen and pad. You see what I'm saying, Latasha? I didn't have a notepad and pen. I was hard-headed. I didn't want to follow those who had what I was looking for. So I thought, you know what? Let me have fun first. I got a lot of time, but I didn't realize that, well, the value, not only of the value of the dollar was dropping, but the value of life was also dropping. And I needed to say to myself, you know what? I need to take this thing serious. And that's what I did. So, Latasha, the boss chick, I want to give it up to you real quick, for just being on this call and gracing us with that energy because, that energy is just amazing. I've been on some calls before and I had some people introduce me. Hey, Oran, so I want to introduce you to Oran. Oran is on the call. I'm like, whoa. I had to ask the host that introduced me. Do you trade? Well, I'm learning. Oh man, you know what? We're gonna have to redo this all over again. Energy is everything, ladies and gentlemen. Energy is everything because you know what they say, how you do anything is how you do everything, right? And I truly believe that. I truly believe how you do anything is how you do everything. Now, I'm not saying I want you guys to do everything that I do because I can honestly say this. I don't think a lot of you can match my energy. Ooh, I don't think a lot of you can match my energies. I got some of my teammates on here. I'm up when you in your third dream. I made it. All right. I retired at 40, but I'm still up at 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning looking for new and easier ways to attack the market. And all you have to do is just wait to get on this call, and I'm going to show you how. So it's very important. If you got your notepads and pen, throw those cameras on real quick. Don't be shy. I don't care if you ain't got your hair did. Let me see that notepad and pen because those are the people I want to talk to. I want to talk to the real people who's paying that membership. All right, you paying that membership? I want to talk to you. That's what I'm talking about, Kev. That's what I'm talking about, Lady Breed Talker. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, Greg. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing started because I didn't come here to waste your time. I didn't come here to be here long. I came here to have a good time. And we're going to go ahead and start this thing off like this.
Hello, Peter. What's happening? I'm going to need you to go ahead and come in tomorrow. So if you could be here around 9, that would be great. Okay?
Some people go through that now.
Oh, and I almost forgot. I'm also going to need you to go ahead and come in on Sunday, too. Okay? We lost some people this week, and we need to sort of play catch-up. Thanks.
Oh, man. Okay. All right, perfect. I know some of you went through that before. Some of you probably going through it now.
Hello, Peter. What's happening? We have sort of a problem here. Yeah, you apparently didn't put one of the new cover sheets on your TPS reports.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry about that. I forgot.
Yeah. You see, we're putting the cover sheets on all TPS reports now before they go out. Did you see the memo about this?
Yeah. Yeah, I have the memo right here. I just forgot. But it's not shipping out till tomorrow, so there's no problem.
Yeah. If you could just go ahead and make sure you do that from now on, that would be great. And I'll go ahead and make sure you get another copy of that memo. Okay?
Yeah, no, I have the memo. I've got it. It's right.
Somebody probably just went through that today.
Happening.
I can't find it.
Messed up your whole day.
14,000 Spanish points we discovered in a Spanish shipwreck off the coast of
Milton.
Spain.
Hi. Could you turn that down just a little bit?
But I was told that I could listen to the radio at a reasonable volume from 9 to 11.
Yeah, no, I know you're allowed to. I was just thinking maybe like a, personal favor.
Well, I told Bill that if Sandra's going to listen to her headphones while she's falling, then I should be able to listen to the radio while I'm collating. So I don't see why I should have to turn down the radio because
all right, okay.
I enjoy listening at a reasonable volume.
Thanks.
From 9 to 11.
Milton.
Hi, Peter. What's happening? We need to talk about your TPS reports.
The other boss just told
cover
me.
sheet, I know. Bill talked to me about it.
Yeah. Did you get that memo?
Yeah, I got the memo, and I understand the policy, and the problem is just that I forgot the one time, and I've already taken care of it, so it's not even really a problem anymore.
Yeah. It's just we're putting new cover sheets on all the TPS
Really?
reports before they go out now. So
Now, ladies and gentlemen, think about this. Imagine if all of this happened before 9 a.m. Before 9 a.m.
Why does it say paper jam when there is no paper jam? I swear to God, one of these days I just kick this piece of shit out the window.
You and me both, man. I think it's lucky I'm not armed.
Piece of shit.
Sam Iyer Naga
No. Please.
Michael Bolton?
That's me.
Wow, is that your real name?
Yeah.
So are you related to that singer guy?
No, it's just a coincidence.
Oh.
You got some people that's nice in the
No one in
office.
this country can ever pronounce my name right. It's not that hard. Najat.
Yeah, well, at least your name isn't Michael Bolton.
There's nothing wrong with that name.
There was nothing wrong. Why should I change? He's the one who sucks. Hey, guys. What's up, G? Want to go to Chachki's? Get some coffee?
Oh, it's a little early.
I gotta get out of here. I think I'm gonna lose it.
Uh-oh. Sounds like somebody's got a case of the Mondays.
Uh-oh. Y'all know what today is. Today is Monday. And you know that feeling.
Boy, I tell you, some days, one of these days, it's just gonna be like...
So can I get you gentlemen something more to drink, or maybe something to nibble on? Some pizza shooters, shrimp poppers, or extreme fajitas?
Just coffee.
Okay. Sounds like a case of the Mondays.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What up, man?
I want to welcome you.
Smooth. I had a dream, I had 1,000 pip tray with a standard lot size from the Daily High. I took it down like a post, I'm ashamed of. Ain't had a pay stub since 2005. We all in this together. Benzes, way with the Cartier lenses. Is he on a mission? Is the pair trending? If not, I'm sitting on my hands, ambitious. Big lots. Haters always make it what it isn't. No respect for them. I tell them read the Michelin. Say respect foreigns. It's German in the engine. Handle clothes. I get at those ever mentioned. Big gangster at the East Coast Convention. Mondays. Some people love hate. You could never dumb down. You could never upgrade. Started off with 50. Now I'm up 20,000 pips.
Go ahead and type inside the chat box. I took back my Mondays.
Wait till I get my Mondays back.
Let's go.
You can't tell me nothing bad. Excuse me, but you tell me something
Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for tuning in today. I have a very special call for you right now. Let me just pull up the charts. Let's go. Oh man, today is your day. Today is your day. Let's go. Let me go ahead and share this screen real quick. Now, what we're going to be looking at, let me go ahead and press this button right here. What we're going to be looking at right now is we're going to be looking at how to identify when market conditions change. You see, when market conditions change, ladies and gentlemen, you have to adapt. You have to adapt to those changes. Okay. It's very important. Now, a lot of you, you're brand new to trading. Perfect. I understand. You just got started last week. Okay. And you're wondering, you're asking yourself, can I really do this? Am I really good at this? Well, I'm going to prove to you tonight that you can do this. Okay, you can do this. I need you to draw something out on your paper real quick. Draw this out on your paper. All right, very simple. This is super simple. Draw this out. As the market rises up, just like this, look at that. The market rises up and the market pulls back. Okay, draw everything I'm drawing out. Okay, then we're going to write over here. Okay, we're going to write over here. Swing high. Okay, just swing high. Just write it right there. Now, what we want to look for is the starting point. The starting point is that area on a chart that pushes the market breaking past the new high or the new low. Okay, the starting point is that area on the chart that creates that new high or the new low. So now notice this. News just came out. Okay, let's just say news just came out and momentum happened. Boom! We get this huge impulse move. That big candle, that big buying candle that just pushed the market high. Oh no. So you want to ask yourself, most important question. If you know the market is here, ask yourself this question. It's very simple. Just look in the mirror and ask yourself, how did I get here? It's really that simple. See, the biggest problem when it comes to trading, we're not asking ourselves the right question. How did I get here? So now you have to go back and do some research. Okay, Merlinda, you got to go back and do some research. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Merlinda with the Christmas tree. I see you. Yep, that's right. You got to ask yourself this question. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and unmute you real quick because I love that participation. Go ahead, Merlinda. I'm going to go ahead and unmute real quick.
Hi, how you doing, Coach Wright?
Perfect. So what's the first thing, the moment you open up your chart, what is the first thing you're going to ask yourself?
How did I get here?
That's it. Well, you know how you got to your computer. You walk over to your computer, you open it up. But we want to talk about you're looking at the market. How did this big candle get here? So you want to go back and do some research. You want to go all the way back and say, oh, wow. This is the starting point right here. Oh, yes, that's what we want to look for. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to identify the starting point. That's right. Do you guys realize on this call tonight, this is your starting point into 2023? This is your starting point into 2023. Oh, you thought we were going to start in 23? No. Some of you have some unfinished business. Some of you have some unfinished New Year's resolutions that you made in 2021 that your 2022 was going to be, I'm going to be the boss in 2022. But now you let let's say you let, we in the fourth season right now. All right. We in December, you let 12 months go past and you procrastinated and didn't do nothing. So now you got to rush to get some of those goals completed. Oh my goodness, I got to get some of these goals. I didn't complete anything. But don't worry, I got you. Let me help you just complete one. So now guess what happens? As this market, okay, you drew that out. As this market continues, it starts to move backwards now. Pulls back. Oh no, here it goes. Oh my goodness. Merlinda, let me ask you, what just happened? What did the market just do? It broke what?
April, the starting point?
That's right. Melinda, think about it. Imagine if you had a bad day at work. Oh my goodness. Your boss just got you so upset. And you said to yourself, you know what? The homegirls, they said, am I pronouncing your name right, Merlinda? I'm way off, right? I don't like chopping nobody's name up. How you pronounce it?
It's Merlan.
Merlan. Okay, Merlan. Okay. Merlan. Yeah. Your homegirls at work said, hey, Merlan, let's go out. You know what? I had a bad day at work. Let's go. So now y'all go out and you live right here. Okay, let's pull up your house. You live right around this area here. I need the house. Where's the house at? Right there. Okay, because you left from your house. Your house is your starting point to your job. This is your job right here. Okay, so we're going to call this work. I'm telling you, this concept, it's simple. Okay, so now when you look at this, you leave from work, past your house, and wherever y'all going, I don't know if y'all going to a day party or to the club. I don't know where you're going, but you just don't want to go home. This is your starting point, Merlan. The moment you break your starting point, the market is now reversing. Okay? The market is now reversing. You see, in the beginning, with this strong push up, we were in a buy opportunity. But the moment this market started coming all the way down and it closed below the starting point, oh man, Merlan, watch this. All I'm going to do now is draw my channel from the high all the way down to the starting point right here. All I need is a retest. That's all I need. All I need is a retest. Boom. And I'm going to over leverage. I mean, oh man, why am I so over leverage? Don't over leverage. Don't over leverage. Just enter the trade, trade your trade, and you take this market in that direction. Would it be cool if the market really did happen like that?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, you said it would be cool if it happened like that, right?
Are you talking about to take it for a sell and go down that way?
Yeah, but what if when I say would it be cool if the market happened like that, would it be okay if you open up your chart and you identify instantly the starting point, you identify the market breaking and closing below the starting point, and within less than 5 minutes you said, hold on, that's a reversal. I'm going to enter the trade for a sell. What if it only took you less than 5 minutes to find your setup? Would that be okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. Let's go over the master trades because this is what GBP USD did last night. Okay. GBP USD did the same exact move last night. So last night, what we saw, and I want you to help me out. Even though we're on a 15-minute, we're on a 15-minute time frame. And don't worry, it's not too much noise on the chart. Look at this area right here. I want you to help me. Walk me through this. You see this area right about here. Okay. You ever hear of the real estate market?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. That's where they sell houses, right? Perfect. So in this area right here, we're selling a whole bunch of houses in this neighborhood. New development. Whole bunch of new houses in this area. Man, I know in my neighborhood, that's all you see is new development. At one point, there was a whole bunch of trees. It looked like a jungle. But now it's a whole bunch of houses there. But here's the problem. At one point, all these houses, somebody like Coach Tears came in and bought up this house right here. Now that house is off the market. And then look. Joyce stumbled across a whole bunch of money. Joyce came and bought this house up. And then Lana came in. Lana will come in, and instead of just buying one, Lana gonna go and buy two houses. You see that? And then look, the boss chick will come in and buy the biggest house on the block. Boom. And now when it's time for you to come and buy a house, there's no more houses there. That's the reason why the market broke through. See that? That's the reason why the market broke through that area. You know why the market broke through that area? Please, can you tell me why the market broke through that area? Give me your best example or your best thought to why the market broke out I'll help you. There was no more houses. Go ahead.
Because it was oversold.
Now they're looking for more houses. Whenever the market breaks out of a strong resistance area, you're going to see this all over your chart. Whenever the market breaks out a strong resistance or support area and give you that strong breakout, it's because all the houses that was here, now they're looking in the next area. Maybe they're going out to Marietta or something like that. Oh, let me go over here to Marietta and look for some houses. That's all they're doing. They're going out and looking in the next neighborhood, the next up and coming neighborhood to find some houses. And that's what the market did. The market shot all the way up. Now, this was your breakout right here. Okay. Yes or no? Would you say that this is the starting point?
Yes.
You know why? Because that's what it says it right there. Starting point. It's the starting point. So now, yes or no? Did that market, after hitting this resistance area, breaking out, let me know. Did the market come and close below the starting point?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Hold on. Merlin, what are you going to do next? We closed below the starting point. What are you going to do next?
Do I wait for the reversal? And
where does the market need to go in order for you to enter the trade?
Back to the starting point.
Okay. All right, perfect. You see this breakout candle right here?
Mm-hmm.
So all we're going to do with that breakout candle, watch this. We're going to draw from the bottom of that breakout candle right there. Okay, you see it, the green one?
Mm-hmm.
And draw our zone all the way up to the top of that candle. And we're going to use the red line, which is the 50%, as our entry. So you already told me that the market closed below this candle right here. Because, even Stevie Wonder can see this. Yes or no? Was the market moving in an uptrend?
Yes.
Oh no, the market turns around. What is it doing now?
Reversing.
It's reversing. So you're going to wait for that market to come to the red line, correct?
Yes.
What lot size are you going to use?
0.01.
Come on, Merlin. You trading with the big dogs now. This ain't no time to be scared now. I want you to use the lot size that that's gonna help you become financially free.
0.01.
Let's go. Merlin said, look, you ain't gonna come on. You ain't gonna do that to me. Let's go. All right, here we go. So when that market hit that red line, this is where you're gonna buy, right?
Yes.
Think about what you're saying. Think about what I'm saying. The market was in an uptrend.
Mm-hmm.
The market broke below your starting point. It's now in a downtrend. What do we do in a downtrend?
Oh, we sell.
Perfect. So when that market comes back up to the red line, we're going to buy, right?
No. It says,
what we're going to do?
It's a sell. We're going to sell.
There you go. Don't let me mess with your head, because the market will do that. Mm-hmm. The market will play tricks on you. So now, when that market come up to that red line, I want you to scream, sell, 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 sell.
Okay. Sell, 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 sell. That's it.
I'm in this trade right now.
We're in there with my 0.01 lot size. Boom.
Let's go. Let's go. So think about this. Think about if you would have traded this on a 0.01 lot size, which equals 10 cents per pip, you would have made $14. I'm in this trade right now as we speak on the standard. I'm done for the week and it's only Monday. Would it be okay? Would it be okay if you can place one trade per week?
Yep.
Okay. Because honestly, you don't want to be in front of the charts 24/7. If if you're in front of the charts 24/7, okay? 1 second. Let me get this little one. If you're in front of the charts 24/7, now becomes a job. Okay? I didn't retire just to go get another job. So you see how simple that was? This is what we caught when market conditions changed. All right, good job. I appreciate you for participating. Good job. Good job. Let's go. Let's go. I'm telling you, your breakthrough is going to come tonight. But I'm going to show you how simple this is. You see this level system right here? It does all the work for you. Okay? It does all the work for you. I got 2 strategies that I'm going to show you tonight. You get to choose which one you're going to use. Okay? So the first one I'm going to show you is this Monday box. Oh, man. Some people look at this Monday box and say, come on, man, is that even legal? I hope so, because I made a lot of money off of it. So when you open up the level system, okay, this green box right here is going to build itself. It's going to create by itself, okay? And what you're going to see is that it starts building on Sunday night at 5 p.m. when the market opens up. This market starts building out by itself. Now at 5 p.m. today, 5 p.m. on Monday, this box is going to be fully complete. So you don't have to do anything. But what you notice here is that this box right here is going to draw a 50% line. That's right. Monday is very powerful. Okay. So now all you're saying is you're going to ask yourself the question, hey, the last candle that was inside of this box, did it close above or below? Let me unmute one more person. Boss chick, who can we unmute? Who can we unmute? We need to get them involved. This is their life right here.
Hey, come on, boss trader. Somebody unmute. Volunteer. Who want to volunteer?
No. Don't. We're not gonna wait for them.
Okay.
I want you to unmute them, because if we wait for them, it ain't gonna never happen. It ain't gonna never happen.
Let's go. Okay, here I go.
That's what I'm talking about.
Here I go.
I wish I had somebody to hold my hand like. Let's go.
I'm looking down the list. We got so many.
Now I want you to grab one from your team.
Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah, that's what I'm looking.
Perfect. So while she's looking for someone, the question is, this last candle inside the box, did it close above or below the 50% of Monday?
Hey.
What's going on? How you doing? What's going on? How you doing? Welcome to the call.
What's going on, Coach? I'll be in your sessions.
Oh man, who we got talking? Who's this?
Kimberly.
Kimberly, where you tuning in from?
I'm here in Atlanta.
Oh, Atlanta? Perfect. So, Kimberly, let me ask you something real quick.
Yeah.
You see this green box right here?
Yes, I do.
All right. Now, you see that last candle? Let me zoom in so you can see it. That last candle that's inside of that box.
Yes.
Did it close above or below the 50% line of Monday?
It closed above.
Oh, man, let's go. Let's go over the training real quick. Because when you open up the level system, you can go over here to training. Because once you go over here to training, I just want you to click this right here. Go through all the training. And we're going to get to the part where they talk about Mondays. And I want you to break down for me, Kimberly. I want you to read this out for the people that's in the back, for the people that can't read. Okay? Step 1. What do we have to do on step number 1?
So step number 1, we have to wait until the Monday box is complete.
All right. You know the biggest problem with trading is waiting. It's waiting. That's the biggest problem. Step number 2, what do we have to do?
Did the last candle in the box close above the 50% line?
Ooh, now this is a real chart right here. So this actually looks like the chart that's cooking up right now. Okay, perfect. Step number 3.
Set a pending order buy limit.
So you mean to tell me, all I have to do is ask myself the question, did the last candle inside the box close above that 50%? Yes, it did. Okay, perfect. So if it goes above, now I'm just going to set a pending order buy limit?
Yes.
Wow. Kim, let me ask you, what happens if it's below the box?
If it is below the box, more than likely, you want to check and you want to see that the last candle in that box, if it's closed below or above the 50. In this case, the last candle closed below the box, the 50% Monday box.
And Kimberly, look at this.
Yes.
This is USD JPY right here. This market came back to the zone, retested off that 50% and dropped for over 324 pips.
Yes, money zones.
Do you know 324 pips on the standard lot size, what that looked like?
Good Lord.
Yeah, I know.
You set for the day, the set for the week.
For the week. For the week.
Not 2 weeks.
Yeah. So let's go back over to the chart. 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. Oh my goodness, Kimberly. Some people don't believe me. Kimberly, some people don't believe me. And I don't like trying to prove people wrong. Is this a green box?
Yes, it is.
Kimberly, help me out. Did the market close above or below the 50%?
Okay, so right now it's very, very close, but it closed above the 50%.
Kimberly, so what should I do?
So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to set a buy, a pin. No, that's the third step.
Keep going. You said it.
You're going to set the buy limit, a pending buy limit order.
Perfect. And Kimberly, would it be okay if you enter this trade in the market over the last 5 hours? The market is now up 35 pips.
Yes.
Kimberly, do you ever heard of something called drawdown?
Yes.
What is the drawdown on this trade?
So it looks
zero.
Like, it's zero because it's sitting right there on the.
Would it be okay if you could do this?
I think so. Me personally, I might wait a little bit.
What?
Just
wait.
A tap.
You got the rules. The rules is telling you, hey, look, we closed above. Sniper entry. Let's go. Take the trade. See, Kimberly, here's the biggest problem. The biggest problem is that we overanalyze. Now, let me ask you this one question. Kimberly, do you like shoe shopping?
I love it.
You look like the type of woman that can go into the mall and within 3 minutes, you find the shoe that you want.
Yeah. So, kind of. Yeah.
Oh, you don't wait on it? You don't wait for the sale?
I do wait for the sales. I do.
But you really wanted that shoe. Why are you overanalyzing it? You got the money. Just buy the shoe.
That's right, Coach. Just buy the shoes.
Just buy the shoes. Just do it. Because that market may not give you another opportunity to come back. You got to trust your analysis. And then look. But where am I going to put my stop loss? Don't worry. Levels got you. Hit this button that says Fibonacci. Boom. They drop your stop loss here and your target here. Yes or no? Did we hit target number 1 already?
Yeah, we did.
So, Kimberly, I need you to do something for me. Whenever you set your trades, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to set 3 alarms. How many alarms are you going to set?
3.
Perfect. The first alarm is going to trigger when the market, because if you set in your pending order, the first alarm is going to tell you, bing, 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 the trade is triggered. Okay. First alarm, trigger alarm or entry alarm, right?
Yes.
Perfect. The next one is going to be an alarm for your stop loss. A stop loss. I know. But why do I need an alarm for my stop loss when I already have a stop loss?
Well, just in case if the market if it does a reversal, you're protecting your assets.
Your alarm is not going to, knock you out the trade. The reason why I want you to put an alarm, Kimberly, okay? Alarm for your stop loss, alarm for your entry, and alarm for your take profit. 3 alarms. The reason why, so you can get back to what you're doing. You got life to live. Do you really want to be staring in front of the chart, watching this market as it take its time, cooking up?
That's why you got buy limits.
So basically, when you set these alarms, the moment that alarm goes off, bing, 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 bing. So what does that mean, Kimberly? You turn your phone off. You do not open your chart until your alarm goes off. Make sense?
That's right.
Okay. I don't want you walking around holding your phone in your hand like you're looking for signal. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it's very important. All right. Whether you're building your business, think about if you're building your business and you're already in the trade, you're in profit. You're saying to yourself, man, I'm in profit, so I might as well. I'm not going to sit here and watch the trade. All right. I'm in profit now. So let me just go ahead and go ahead and build my business. So now you can go ahead and share this opportunity with someone else. Oh, yeah, I got it now. Because I sat back and watched a trade for 8 hours and I still lost. Okay. Hey, Kimberly, I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Perfect. Let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, you see how simple Mondays. Okay. So we're just waiting for the market to come back down. Oh, look at this. This one just happened on CAD JPY. It just happened. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Boss chick, help me out. Help me out, boss chick. I can't see it. Boss chick, what happened on this trade? This is CAD JPY. Did the market close above that 50% line?
Yes.
Boss chick, what do we do if it comes to the 50%? Do we enter the buy? Let's go. It's above. We enter the buy when it comes
to buy limit.
Let's go. That's right. Would it be okay? That's 2 trades already. 0 drawdown. Would it be okay? Look at this. 20
Let's
pips.
go.
20 pips already. Hold on. Time out. Hold on. I got to find Brenda. Brenda is in 2 of these trades. No, I got to get the testimony. Brenda, where you at?
Let's
Brenda,
go,
hold
Brenda.
on 1 second. Brenda, come to the front of the room. Come to the front of the classroom.
Hey, coach.
What's going on, Brenda? You in both of these trades already?
Listen, I set alert on my alarm on my phone to look at the Monday boxes after 5 o'clock today. And I just went in, I went down the list. The ones that look good to me, I put in the pending order.
Hold up. You put the pending order and just walked away?
Yep.
What? And you're swimming in profit right now?
Yes, sir.
On 2 of these trades?
Yes, sir.
Wow. How many people did you have to talk to do this?
Nobody. I just went and followed the instructions.
You see, because here's the thing. People come to us. They said, man, I can't do that business because all y'all do is recruit. Whoa, I just made a lot of money. I ain't talking to nobody. Oh, really? Oh, I want to do that. No. You can't even join this business now. You see, sometimes I push people away. They say, hey, bro, can I want to learn that. No. Last week you said you didn't want to do this because all we do is recruit. Guess what we recruit, Brenda? We recruit those pips.
Yep.
Let's go. We recruit pips. Brenda, do you realize you're recruiting over 60 pips right now?
Yep.
60 pips of what? Pure pleasure.
Pure pleasure.
We call it pure pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, because it feels so good when you're in profit. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. And I haven't even went to any. I'm just only in the Asian range right now. I haven't went anywhere else. Uh-oh. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all looking at this and saying, but coach, it didn't come to the 50. Don't be mad at me because it didn't come to the 50%. I don't have enough money to push that market there. So what do? You ask yourself the question. Hold up. Let me get Let me get Evelyn White on this call. Evelyn White, what's up? How you doing?
Yes. Let's go, Evelyn.
Is this Evelyn from New York?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's go. Evelyn, don't be shy now. You used to come to Wall Street with us. You know, come on, Evelyn, don't be shy. Oh, she probably stepped away. Oh man. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Rock. I've been messing with the women. Let me go to Rock real quick. Where you at, Rock? Oh man. Let me find out they fell asleep on my call.
Unmute, guys. You have to unmute yourself. Rock or Evelyn.
All right, I'll come back to him. Oh man. Let me see. Okay. Oh, inspiring with Jaleesa. How you doing, Jaleesa? Welcome to the call. Let's go. That's the unmute. There we go. Inspiring with Jaleesa. You there? Oh man. Evelyn, you should be able to unmute. Nathan, what's up, Nathan? Oh, we out there in the beautiful country of Dominican Republic. Unmute, brother.
Hola.
What's going on, Nate?
How you doing?
So let me ask you a question, man. We are above the 50% of Monday. What are you going to do?
Yeah. We're going to wait for it to come down to the 50%.
Okay. Do you have the numbers? Or is the parameters there?
No.
Numbers right there. Look.
I can't see. Hold up.
Oh, 142,586.
Yes.
Right there.
Right. So we're going to set a buy.
A buy limit. That's it. Okay. That's it. How simple was that? And some of you on this call probably said to yourself, I don't know if I can do that. I don't know if I can do that. Ladies and gentlemen, you see how simple that is? Okay. Now, if this market decides to push up higher, no worries. Then we run into the next strategy that's on levels. Oh my goodness. Hold on one second. I got to unmute my guy, Sean. Sean, where you at? I got to unmute you real quick. Oh, man. Sean, do you see what I see?
Yes,
Euro
sir.
JPY. If
Yes,
Euro
sir.
JPY comes up just a little bit to this level right here.
Uh-huh.
Now, everybody said, but coach, what about the 50% of Monday of last week? Is it still valid? Sean, is it still valid?
Mm-hmm. I see that shampoo. I see that head and shoulders. I see that head and shampoo.
Go.
I see that shampoo.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we trade this other pattern called the head and shoulders. Okay, head and shoulders. Okay, head and shoulders is one of the number one reversal patterns in the marketplace. Okay, it's the head and shoulders. Here it is. Oh, not the shampoo. Oh man, that's a pretty good shampoo though. Get rid of the dandruff. But the number one reversal pattern in the market is the head and shoulder pattern. So now we can see this blue box. Okay, if the Monday from last week is going to turn blue, the current Monday is always going to be green, but the 50% is still 50%. Okay, so look at this. Notice right around this area here, left shoulder, resistance. Here's the starting point. The market shift up higher, drops all the way down. Oh no. But look where the market is. If that market comes back to that zone, oh my goodness, I'm going to put the house on it. I'm putting somebody's house on it.
Shampoo?
That's right. I want to see this market. If it comes back to this zone, we got two trades set up in one. You're saying to yourself right now, hold up, we got a twofer? That's right, a twofer. A twofer is a 2 for 1. That means that this market could react off of this level right here, give us the possible sell opportunity, boom, and drop it all the way down to the buy opportunity. Oh my goodness. The market is just giving away money. The market is giving away money like PPP loans. PPP stands for pips, and more pips. Who's trying to get them? And this one right here, you ain't got to pay it back. You ain't got to pay back this right here. Wow. It's the PPP for me. Let's go. So you already got 2 setups, ladies and gentlemen. Now you got to ask yourself the question, which one are you taking? Here's a price point here, and here's a price point there. Which one you want? Get your screenshots. Don't walk away. Don't walk away and seeing this money out here. It's a whole lot of money on this chart. And people screaming about, man, ain't no jobs out here. Ain't nobody trying to hire me. I got a diploma. I went to school for 4 years. Y'all want to know what I got? I got a good enough diploma. Y'all know how to spell good enough diploma? A good enough diploma. It's spelled like this, G-E-D. So when I used to go to these places and to find out how much they're going to pay me, they said, yeah, you got a GED? Bet. 850? 850? 850? That's 10 pips. Yo, imagine if you did 10 pips an hour. Now, I just want you to understand this right now. You have to put value on, they tripping. They tripping on the pipping. They tripping and we pipping. Y'all see that? They tripping and we catching pips over here. So I don't want you to feel like I can't learn this. You can do whatever you put your mind to. If you're really serious about this, you're truly serious about this right here, and you want to learn this stuff right here, I already gave you the blueprint. Okay? I haven't even went to another, I've only been on the Asian. Ooh. Look at this. We got the break of blow. So now here's when market conditions change. This is what I love about it. Okay? AUDJPY. We close below, and then we got this little break right here. Okay? Got this little break. Then the market dropped down. You would have got your pips right there. That's about 23 pips. Then the market turned around, and this is my stop loss. If the market hit my stop loss on this trade, cool. Wait for it to come back, and I re-enter the trade in the right direction. And then bam. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Okay? Now go ahead and switch it up and go to New York session. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Who want to answer this question? Who want to answer this? Well, we already know what's going on. Money Mitch. My guy, Money Mitch. Ooh, let's go.
What's going on, Coach?
Hey, Money Mitch, I know you probably see a whole lot of stuff going on right now. You know, I know you see this inverted over here. This the head. Market goes up. You got the violation. I'm going to leave it right there. Huh?
I love them violations.
Yeah.
Violate me, baby.
Your Money Mitch, you look like the type that driving the easy pass lane with what's that, the HOV lane with one person. You stay violating. So now we got the violation going on right here. You finished the rest. Where's my setup at, Money Mitch?
Man, I'm gonna catch it off that left to right shoulder, man. Get that reversal, get that sell down right there. Get that sell down off the violation.
Let's go. And if you want some extra confirmation, you want some extra confirmation, though. You want to throw some extra what's that sauce? That Louisiana rub sauce that you put on that food. You want to put some more that Miss Laurie's. That 50% right there.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, extra confirmation. And then drop that thing. Ooh, I'm looking for this thing. I'm looking for, in the words of Sean, drop and drown. Ladies and gentlemen.
Make sure I got this set up.
He was like, what pair is this? I want to make sure I got this set up. This GBP USD.
Yes, sir.
Hey, this isn't crazy. It seemed like the market is giving away money for the holidays. They're giving away money for the holiday. But what about the people who still sitting on the sidelines that call this a scam?
Man, I had somebody call it a scam today. They said, I will not pay for no education. I said, I told them, I said, you know what though? I said, I said, I'm not even mad at you. I said, but you're gonna pay one way or another. I said, you're gonna pay with time or you're gonna pay with money. One or the other.
You know what's crazy is they say this stuff is a scam, but then they watch our Instagram. They say it's a scam.
Let me get the Zoom.
Yeah. They say it's a scam, but then they watch our Instagram, how we live in life. And then I told y'all, hey Tosh, I need you real quick, boss chick.
Actually, I unmuted. I was gonna ask you something for the brand new person that's watching this. After seeing you do quite a few examples. So if we were entering this, because the market right now is still below the 50%, we want to enter, guys, this is GBP USD. So we would set up a sale limit to enter at around what, 122,576?
Let me get that price label up for you. Boom. Anywhere in this area.
1.22461. We want to set a sale limit, and we would probably write it down to a TP with 1.2 where it's sitting at now. Would that be a good TP? Or is that too far? That's like a TP3.
30. That's 41 pips right there. That's like 50 pips right there. So if you have a new person, you got a new person catching 50 pips. 50 pips. But honestly, I wanted to drop here.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I'm looking for the second trade to come over here. This is going to be my buy opportunity. Okay, it's going to be my buy opportunity. So if you're new and you open up your screen and you see this mark is already at 300 pips, don't panic. It's just money. You know, it's just money. You know, so I'm definitely looking for this right here. If we can get this drop down, if you want to take profit at 20, 30, 40 pips, it's totally up to you. But I want to see this dollar get weak in the knees like SWV and just, you know, I want to see this thing just drop. Okay, I want it to drop. Okay, because we do believe that the dollar is going to continue to get strong. I was looking at the dollar just recently, and it was supposed to drop. All pairs. There we go. Dollar index. So we'll just go to the 1 hour time frame. And ladies and gentlemen, what I'm showing you here, it doesn't just work in Forex. It works in all markets. It works in crypto. It works in the stock market. We have a setup. All right. We have a setup that we're looking at on Apple. Okay. We're looking at this setup on Apple. Okay. Look at everything that I'm showing you so you can see that, wow, this stuff really works. So this is Apple. Okay. Look, remember the breakout candle right there, ladies and gentlemen? You see this? What if we just drew our zone straight across like this? Good old head and shoulder. Resistance. All right. Here's the starting point right here that broke out. The market came and closed below the starting point. Bam. Right there. Take the trade right there and then drop it. You don't have to wait for the news to give you the information that Apple just dropped. You can see it. The writing is on the wall. All right. The writing is on the wall. We go ahead and, well, Evelyn, I see you. Talk to me, Evelyn. Mic don't work?
Hey,
there you go. What's up, Evelyn?
How are you?
Oh, man, better than amazing. You know?
Wall Street love. I had stepped away from it, but I'm definitely 24.
Perfect. Where you at? Sound like you standing across the street. Where you at? Sound like you standing across the street from your computer in your house. Oh man, I can hardly hear you. It's like you're standing far away from your computer.
What you saying?
Yeah, I can hear you a little bit, but no, it's definitely an honor and pleasure, to be able to connect with you again. We're a long way from Wall Street, so we want to help people. We want to help people on this call. We want to bring Wall Street to Main Street, because again, a lot of people think, even if you're brand new, that you need a whole bunch of money to get into this space. You don't. All you need is a minimum of $10. A minimum of $10, ladies and gentlemen. And based on what you're learning right now, if you truly apply what you're learning, okay, you're going to start to grow your account. But what this call is designed for, this call is designed for you guys to get on here and pick my brain, ask me questions. So I want all the newbies on this call, the new investors on this call to get ready to unmute. We're going to hit that unmute button, all right, and pick my brain. Do not be afraid. We're only going to be on here for a few more minutes. Pick my brain. Let's go. You guys are free. Unmute, and let's get ready to get your question answered.
All right, team, let's go. Let's go. So this is your time. Please feel free to unmute.
Don't worry if you're brand new. I was once new at that point.
I know I have a guest on as well who's excited to get started tonight. So my brother, you will learn this.
Where's your guest at? Let me speak to your guest real quick. I'm gonna show you a guest that he can rate.
I don't want to mess up his first name, but actually this is one of my car salesmen. Last name, Mr. Lightborn. Mr. Lightborn. You sure?
How y'all doing tonight?
Hey,
what's going on, Lightborn?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Perfect. Better than amazing, man. Let me ask you, how long have you been trading?
Actually, I have not been trading long at all. This is like my first introduction to really diving in.
Perfect. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, you're actually going to give us a trade alert tonight. Right. Yep, that's right. You are going to give us a trade alert tonight. Perfect.
All right.
So, first thing we're going to look at is we're just going to draw a box just like this. And we're going to make this box green. We're going to make this box green. And this green box here represents Monday.
All right.
Okay. What day is this green box?
Monday.
Perfect. Oh, man, you're good. Wow. Okay, perfect. So that's Monday. Now, the market it opens up on Sunday. Sunday at 5 p.m. What day does the market open up?
Sunday at 5 p.m.
Man, you are good, real good. Wow. So now, the market starts cooking up. Starts Sunday, 5 p.m. Now, it's going to do this within a 24-hour period. It's one that's going up, down, drop all the way down, boom, 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 go all the way up, do all this good stuff. Now, the last movement right there in that box. Now, what I want to do is divide this box into 4 quarters, okay? Into 4 quarters. Perfect. There we go. 25, 50, and we're going to put 75, 0.75. We're going to break this box down into 4 quarters. Now, this red line here is going to be the 50% of what day?
Monday.
Oh, man, you're going to do real well in here, man. You know why? Because you follow instructions. That's what I'm talking about, okay? First time, ladies and gentlemen. I need y'all to pay attention. This is his first time, his intro, seeing this right now. Okay, so now, the last movement inside of this box, was it above or below this 50% of Monday?
It was above.
Wow. So if the market is above, all we're going to do now is set a pending order. All right, I love pending orders. A pending order by limit. All right, that's how we're going to say pending order. All right, pending order by limit and the price point is going to be wherever it's line. Can you see that number on the line? That shaded black number?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So we're going to do a pending order buy limit, and wherever that 50% line is, that's the price number that you're going to call out to everyone. Make sense?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, let me just go randomly on the chart. Just go randomly on the chart. And GBP USD don't do that. Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm looking at USD CAD. All right. All right, this pair right here is USD versus the Canadian dollar. So I know you're brand new. I want you to walk everyone through. I want you to, you're going to take over the call real quick. And I want you to break down to everyone and tell them what they're going to do. Tell them what the green box is. Tell them, ask them the question. I want everybody to participate when he asks a question. Ask them a question about what happens in the green box. And then you're going to break down what we're going to do next. Sounds easy?
Sounds easy enough.
Perfect. Let's go. I'm going to mute out. You get to work. Introduce yourself and let's go.
All right. My name is Yasharo Lightborn, first time trading. So right now, our 50% of Monday is at 1.349. At this point, because we started our day above the 50% line, we're going to set a pending stop loss at the 1.39 line. And then after that, we're possibly expecting it to downtrend a little bit. So we're going to sell at this point.
Nope. You were good. You were good. Remember,
Okay.
if the market is above the 50%.
We buy.
Perfect. There you go. Take it over. Go ahead.
And then expecting at that time.
No, you can stop right there. So you already gave them what they're supposed to do. You already told them what they're supposed to do. You're expecting a pending buy limit, and you already gave them the numbers at the 1.429. You did your job. Yeah. How does that make you feel?
Pretty good.
That's amazing. The first time seeing it, you actually hosted your first Zoom call in training. Woohoo! Let's go.
Wow, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise, man, for Lightborn. Woo! Let's go. And there's people talking about, I can't do this. And my guy came on just now, followed instructions, and told you exactly what you're looking for. Well, I'm waiting for this market to come back down because we closed the 50% of Monday, waiting for it to come back down to the zone, and we're going to go for a buy limit around that 1.34953, and we're expecting the market to rise up. Wow. You know what's going to happen, right? So, you know you started something. So he's going to make a whole bunch of money trading. He's 9 times out of 10, he's probably going to go back and buy a few cars at the dealership that he worked at, right? And then he's going to put his 2-hour resignation. Not even going to put it in 2 weeks. All right? He's going to probably put in a 20-minute resignation. All right? And then all of his co-workers are going to say, where are you going? Take it with you. And then he's going to say, hey, look, y'all jump on this call. And then the moment they jump on the call, now he's chairman 10 on the charts. He's chairman 10 in his back office. And now he's traveling around the world financially free. That's how it happened. People wonder how this stuff happened. How can certain people hit certain levels in life because they followed the blueprint? See, when your GPS tells you rerouting, now all of a sudden you said, man, I ain't listening to this GPS. Sean, remember the other night? I ain't listening to this GPS. GPS taking us all around the world. But if only we would have followed the instructions that we were given, you're following instruction from someone who did it. I'm not a YouTube educator. I've been in this game 7 years now. 7 years strong. A lot of mistakes. But the most important thing is to learn from those mistakes. I didn't just make the mistake and cry about it. I learned from this. I got up and I said, you know what? You got me. You got me. But guess what? Reaction, there's going to be a reaction. So the moment created an action, and that action was the break of structure. My reaction was to get that test and take that trade. Let's go. Gentlemen, I want to thank you all for tuning in.
Wow. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Coach Wright. I need y'all to write up that emoji, fires, numbers, letters, whatever you feel like using, but let them fingers go to work, go to work, go to work, go to work. Thank you, Coach. Appreciate you. So much added value. You stayed on longer than I even expected. Thank you for pouring into us. And this was free game. Y'all got this for free 99 night. And I feel like I owe you now. So I appreciate you. Thank you for all that you do. And just let us know that we can do it too. Guys, amazing, right? Amazing. Super proud of you. Mr. Lighthouse, Lightborn, appreciate you for coming on. If you are a guest or you were with us before life happened and now you're ready to come back, we wanted you to see the simplicity of it. If you plug in, I mean, it doesn't take up all your time. It won't take up all of your day. Just learn the blueprint and you can do this over and over every single time and change money. Do that. Wrong people. Get person I'm hosting here. Beautiful place. Very those who know future and he is and you already the